his first speech for his Sierra College Com 1 class. Yeah. The first speech for Sierra College is called Introduction, the introduction speech. In Toastmasters, we call it an icebreaker. Yes, he has given this to the club before, however, it has been shortened and consolidated for the sake of time. The reason he asks that I mention it is so that the professor in the class knows that it has been practiced per instructions. It will be a 2 to 4 minute speech. The professor asks for 2 to 3. However, being older than most of her students, he is hoping she will forgive him. You be the judge. Here is an opportunity to get to know Michael a little better. Please help me welcome Michael Massey to this speech, My Life in 2 to 4 minutes. Michael Massey.
Good morning. My name is Michael and I'm an alcoholic.
Welcome.
Okay, if you were in an AA meeting, that would have gone completely different. But this is a Toastmaster meeting, so I don't expect you to know that when I said, hi, my name is Michael, I'm an alcoholic, everyone go, hey, Michael, because it's an affirmation, right? That you're not out drinking, you're in here with like minds. So, a couple other things you may want to know about Alcoholics Anonymous. First of all, I've been clean and sober since December 26, 1986.
Yeah.
Bill, for you, that's 33 years. just to kind of let you know. The other thing you want to know is that in Alcoholics Anonymous, we have a higher power. Now, everybody's is different. Mine is easy. My higher power is God. Okay, maybe it's not easy. And that is a topic for a whole other time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to briefly tell you a little bit about my life and let you know about some of my hobbies. I was born in LA. No, Bill, that's not Lower Alabama. That's Los Angeles. I was born in LA. I grew up in Hollywood. My folks were in the industry. Now, when you live in LA, the industry means Hollywood, movies and films and that type of thing. I didn't go to Hollywood High, but I went to Fairfax High, arch rivals. Through no fault of my own, I graduated high school. I bypassed college altogether because, hey, I was going to be a millionaire by 25. What did I need college for?
Okay.
I left the house the day I was 18, out to make fame and fortune. By 21, I was homeless, couch surfing. I was unemployed and had the makings of being an alcoholic. 1981, I joined a company called OPEX. I've been with OPEX ever since. Bill, that's 38 years. But the point I wanted to make here is that job hopping isn't necessarily the only way to get ahead. There are still good companies out there where you can work your way up. I started as a tech, a supervisor, a regional service manager, and now I'm a national manager. Been a national manager for the last 12 plus years. So you can put your time in, put your nose to the grindstone, work hard, and get ahead in places. So I know job hopping is a huge thing these days, and just want to put that out there. So, you know a little bit about me. I got married 20 years ago. I've been living in the Sacramento area for about as much time, 20 years. Some of my hobbies. A person is what they do the most, right? So I work a lot. I'm with my wife a lot. But there's a couple other things. Learning, education, going to school, like Sierra College. So Toastmasters, what is Toastmasters? Well, if you want to know, come to Carmichael Toastmasters, 6:30 every Monday morning, excluding holidays. So, those are some of my hobbies. I do skiing and golf and fishing and a lot of the atypical stuff. But you've gotten to know me in a few minutes here. You know that I'm a native Californian, that I don't drink, that I believe in God, and I've been living in Sacramento for 20 years.
Woohoo! All right, Michael, thank you so much. Excellent. I learned a few new things with you. I hope you did. I really liked your energy. Please take 30 seconds to give some comments